Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special tutorial for you guys. This is my good friend Stephanie. You guys have seen me do a last video with her applying extensions, taking her brunette with a little bit of dimension. She was blonde. We did multiple sessions. Didn't record any of them, but her hair did have some issues. She also did get COVID. She was lacking nutrition, vitamins, couldn't keep anything down. So it really took effect on her hair. And I know COVID hair is a real thing. Like, I don't know what's going on, but I'm hearing all my clients complain about it. And everybody I know that's stylists complaining about their clients' hair as well with it. We'll address that in another video. I do want to dive deeper into that. But today, Stephanie did have a horrible car accident. She almost lost her life. She seen me a couple months ago, and just a day or two later, she had a head-on collision. Somebody pulled out of their driveway and hit her. She is lucky to be here and be alive, so today's video is very special for me. They did take her extensions out, and she lost half of them at the hospital. But today I want to make her feel like herself again, get her back up and her spirits up, and just happy. And you know, hair can be so life-changing. Even if it's something not that serious compared to what she just went through, it still will lift somebody's spirits a little bit. So I'm going to go over the permanent color. We are going to do a partial or a half highlight, and I haven't decided yet, just to bring up some light pieces because her hair is growing out. It's been a couple months, and we're going to do a paint between, or we're either going to do that or actually do the permanent color first. Haven't decided yet. But if you guys want to see this whole transformation from grown out hair, extensions have been taken out, half the extensions are missing from the hospital, and we're going to try to make her dolled up with what we have and get her hair back to feeling great just so she can feel great. Keep watching. If you have any video ideas for me in the future, please leave them down below in the comment section. Always leave comments. Let me know what you guys think about each video. If I don't get back right away, I always eventually do at some point. If you do have any questions or you want to ask me something personally, the best way to connect with me is on Instagram at @BRHairArtistry. My personal Instagram is I_am_Brett_Ryan. And you can also follow my personal YouTube channel down below in the bio. The link is there. I haven't posted in a while, but I do have a lot of videos coming up. I will be going on vacation next week to Nashville, so there will be video after video after video. I'm gonna vlog like crazy, and I'm gonna get back into the swing of things. All right, guys, I'm not gonna hold you up anymore. Let's get into it. So for Stephanie, the last time we did her roots, I do believe we did a 3 or 4. So I'm going to just go with the 4 and N today. I love Goldwell Topchic because they have ends and they have regular ends. They have everything you need in one color line. So 4 and N will be our go-to for her gray coverage. And I'll also be using 20 volume to mix with that, because I like to make sure that cuticle gets open and all that pigment gets knocked out that's gray, and that covers very well. For my lightener, I'm going to be using my Ride or Die Schwarzkopf Blonde Me. I'm going to use 20 volume with it and a 1/16 ounce of Olaplex. You guys know I love this lightener. It used to swell on me. The first year of my career, I stopped using it after that because it swelled so bad. But all you have to do is stir it for a few minutes and you're good to go. Make sure it's really, really stirred up well. Know your consistency, measure. It's so important, you guys. I used to eyeball it as well, but it's so important to measure. It makes such a big difference. I'm going to mix these things up, and we're going to go get ready and start doing her hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today Stephanie's in my chair. God, thank you so much. I'm so grateful she's still here with us. I hope you guys listened to the beginning of the video. She was in a horrible accident. So now we're going to make her feel better, all better, by doing her hair and making her over. So if you guys remember, Steph was a good friend of mine. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably followed along her journey. I only think we did one video before putting her extensions in, but we took her blonde. It took about 9-10 sessions, and she was a good friend of mine. We pushed the limits, something I wouldn't do with a normal client. Her hair ended up having some damage, but then on top of that, she had COVID and some health problems, was actually keeping nutrients in her body, so she was losing hair, a lot of hair. So we ended up taking her brunette, and now today I'm just touching up those roots. It's been about 2 months, and she has a lot of gray. So I want to break that up a little bit, just focus on the part that's dark. All the ends that are already that caramelly blonde color, we're going to leave them out. There's no need to, overlap her ends when they're already fragile. I just want to bring this color up a little bit to help break it up so when it grows in, it's not so harsh, and also so it matches the extensions perfectly. Alright, so for her permanent color gray coverage, I'm using Goldwell Topchic. We're doing 4NN with 20 volume. I believe we did 3NN or 4NN last time, so I forgot to write it down. But, you know, 4NN, 3NN, they're both very similar. Either one is going to be fine because we are doing highlights. But you guys are probably wondering, why am I painting the color on before I do the highlights? This is something you never see me do. Very rare if it is. It's because I kind of don't want her to lift too well. Now, you can put the color down first and do the bleach on top of it. Bleach will eat through anything, but it will never lift as well. So it's going to keep it a lot warmer, and I want this color to be warmer, and I don't want her to overlift. So this is part of my technique in this video today. So if you want somebody to not overlift or keep it a little bit on the warmer side, and you're doing a permanent color, definitely apply the color first, and that will help keep it on that warmer side and make it a lot more rich.
Used to never do what's best for me. I was such a hopeless fool. I just kept making the same mistakes, yeah. That was until I found you. You became the middle way between getting no love and getting way too much. I pray that you're the one who cares for me, cares enough to keep me safe. Just like the sun, you showed me which way I should go, yeah. Just like the wind, you pulled me up when I was low, oh yeah. This time my hopes are up, 'cause you got my heart in your hand. And do what you want, what you want, what you want with it, but don't give it back. You stole my heart from me, but it don't mean that you're a thief. You saved me from myself, 'cause I used to give it out for free. I hope you can keep it safe, keep it locked till we throw away the key. You stole my heart from me, 'cause it can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me. Habits can be hard to kill.
So you probably have noticed by now I am doing a regular highlight, traditional stitch, a little bit thicker than my normal baby light. Well, a whole lot thicker than my normal baby light. I still, however, am packing them back to back, minimal subsection, just the left out part of the weave. I do want to brighten her up, but I also want to leave enough dimension in the hair because I want it to match the extensions. We have two different color extensions. One's a highlighted one that's a little bit lighter, and then the other one is a darker level 4.
But with you it can't be done. I don't wanna chase a thrill, no. I just wanna overcome. Feeling like I'm lost at sea when I'm getting no love or getting way too much. You see, you're the one I really need. Need you to be here for me.
So once I was done with the application, I let Steph process for about 35 minutes, nothing too long at all. And now I did mix up her toners. For the root, I'm doing a shadow. We did do that permanent color on the root, so it's naturally going to lift a little bit. Even though it's an NN, it still will lift warmer. All permanent color does. I'm going to do a video detailing this and breaking it down, why I'm not a fan of permanent color. It's a question I get asked all the time. So for her root, I am going to do the same level of 4. So I'm going to do 4N, 4NA, equal parts basically. I'm going to do 8 grams of 4N and 7 grams of 4NA. I want to really cool it down. She lifted very warm, just as planned. And for her all over toner, I decided to mix a little cool with some warmth. So I did 7P, 7NB, and 6WG.
Just like the sun, you showed me which way I should go, yeah. Just like the wind, you pulled me up when I was low, oh yeah. This time my hopes are up, 'cause you got my heart in your hand. And do what you want, what you want, what you want with it, but don't give it back. You stole my heart from me, but it don't mean that you're a thief. You saved me from myself, 'cause I used to give it out for
fucking production crew with that furry on your camera.
Oh, Steph and her humor. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Let me know what you think. This is in the salon lighting and we are obsessed. It came out just like I wanted. Nice and dimensional, and it mixed well with those extensions. Please let me know any videos you want to see down in the comment section below. Let me know if you like this channel. Give me a big subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, so long for now, guys.
Used to never do what's best for me. I was such a hopeless fool. I just kept making the same mistake.